inspired me to do this project there was this game on Nokia a couple of years back, and I believe that was the game that has been played by many people around the world before the abundance of smartphones and games on those smartphones. I was curious on its background implementation. So when I acquired the coding skill, the first thing that came to my mind was to implement this snake game that we all have been playing on Nokia phones a couple of years back. You can see the picture here. So that was my inspiration.